wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from East to West, I'm Hannah! And welcome back to Dream Again. Do you see what I have here? They're all different kinds of tools. Do you know what they do? No, I don't either. Maybe Olivia and Noah do. Let's check in with them.
So Olivia, do you like my new tool set?
Yeah, I really like it. It's awesome. You did a really good job building it, Noah.
Yeah, I love it. It's awesome.
It's so great.
I can't wait to play with it.
Yeah, this will be lots of fun.
But maybe we should show the kids what type of tools we have.
Yeah, let's do it.
So next time we can play with it.
Yep.
Okay, so I have this is a screwdriver.
Mm-hmm.
Can you tell me which kind this is? Here, I'll show you.
That's a flathead.
That is correct.
Yay!
Flathead. And why is it called flathead? Is because it has a flat side to it, right?
Yep.
Okay. And then I also have this screwdriver.
Ooh, yeah.
Yep.
That one is a Phillips.
Phillips. Do you know why it's called Phillips?
Because it's got the star.
It's named after Phillips.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Oh, I did not know that. No.
Yeah, I don't know that either, but let's just make that up.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Okay, and then I also have this is one of my favorite tools. Oh, do you know what this is?
Yeah, do you?
Yeah, I do.
What is it?
It's a wrench.
Ooh, very nice.
Yep.
Yeah.
So what tools do you have over there?
I have, let's see, this one's a dangerous one.
Yeah, you gotta be careful. Don't hurt yourself on that one.
Careful. This one's, what is it, do you know?
It's a saw.
Yeah, that one's a saw.
It cuts wood.
It does. And then I have this one. This one is a
Hammer. Yeah.
Yay!
You can hammer nails it into whatever you want to.
And I have a
Screwing nut.
Yeah. See, the bottom is like the spiral, so you can screw it in.
Yep, and we have a bunch of them on this side, as well as on your side.
Here.
And you'll use... Hold on, the screwdrivers fell down.
Yeah, no problem.
You'll use the different screwdrivers, right, for each of them, depending on if they have a cross or if they just have a line.
Yep, so Phillips is cross and line is flathead.
Exactly.
Yep.
And then in the middle, here's my favorite. You see?
And when you, and it spins, yay!
Pretty cool, huh?
That's really cool.
And then over here, we have gears that spin too. See?
Whoop.
You see them spinning?
Yeah, they spin really good.
Yep.
That's awesome.
So, and then there are buttons all the way up front here that we can press. Boop, boop.
Oh, yeah, I didn't know that those were buttons.
Pretty cool, huh?
That's really cool.
So,
let me see if I can push the other button. No, I can't. I can't reach it from here.
Okay, so I'm ready to play with it. So
Me too.
why don't you grab all the stuff that you have that need to be repaired?
Okay.
And then I'll get ready in my handy tool outfit.
Awesome. All right. We'll see you guys next time, kids.
Okay, bye, kids.
Wow, kids! Now I know what all these tools can do. But make sure that when you work with these tools at home, you have your mom or dad help you, okay? And you know what, kids? When I think of building, I think of my favorite story about the three pigs. Do you know that story, kids? No? Okay, then why don't we read that together, yes?
Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs. When they were old enough, they left their home to seek their fortunes. Mother Pig was very sad to see them leave. Oh, I would be too. The first little pig met a farmer with a load of straw. "Please, sir," he said, "will you give me some straw to build a house?" The farmer gave the first little pig some straw. And the little pig built a house of straw. Along came a wicked wolf and knocked on the door. Little pig, let me come in, said the wolf. But the little pig answered, No, no, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. Then the wolf said, Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in. And he huffed and he puffed and he blew the house in, and he ate the little pig up. Oh no! The second little pig met a woodcutter with a bundle of sticks. Please, sir, he asked, may I have some sticks to build a house? The woodcutter gave him some sticks, and the second little pig built his house of sticks. Then along came the wolf, who said, Little pig, let me come in. No, no, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin, answered the second little pig. But what did the wolf say? Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in. So what did he do? And he huffed and he puffed and he huffed and he puffed and he blew the house in. And he ate the second little pig up. Oh no! The third little pig met a bricklayer with a load of bricks. Please, sir, he asked, may I have some bricks to build a house? The bricklayer gave him some bricks, and the third little pig built his house of bricks. Looks like a nice sturdy house, doesn't it, kids? I wonder if the wolf is gonna come. But if he does, I don't think he can blow this away. Do you think? Then along came the wolf, who said, Little pig, let me come in. And the third little pig answered what? 1, 2, 3. No, no, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. And what did the wolf say? Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in. Yep, that's what he said. So the wolf huffed and he puffed and he huffed and he puffed and he huffed and he puffed, and until he couldn't huff and puff no more. But no, he couldn't blow the little house in. Look, it's still standing! Kids, it's still standing! Was that a nice story? Did you like that? I like that. That was a smart little pig, just like you, Peppa. Well, kids, that's it for today. I think it's time to go to bed. Good night, sleep tight, and don't forget to dream again. Bye-bye. Bye.
Hi, kids! If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us.